Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Evil Grimace. I guess in relevance to the shake. So let's get started. It's gonna be simple, easy for beginners. So follow all the way through. Very simple stuff. All right, let's do it. Gonna go right here, and I'm gonna go to the top of Grimace's head, and I'm gonna just put like this curve right at the top. Very simple. Right on. Gonna keep running it down over here for a little bit of his back, not too crazy, and we're gonna draw his hand over here. Curve right there. Gonna really have his hands outward. Go over here to his armpit area. Gonna pull down. Curve right here for the thumb. Line right here. Line right here for the finger. Line right there, like he has his hands downward. Alright. Cool, cool. Gonna go over the other side now, and what I'm gonna do is this side I'm gonna go kind of run down side of his stomach area. Down over there. So far, so good. Hit the like button, by the way, if you like Grimace or the Grimace Shake. Or I've never had the Grimace Shake. I even talked about it on the live. I've never had it. I might get it, but I know the ice cream machine is always broken. Curve right here for that side of the arm coming out the other way. Curve right there. Down. And we're going to have his finger stick down. And we're going to indicate those in like a U shape. Curve right here. Right here for the thumb. And it's going to pull up. Right on. Alright. Draw a flat portion of his lower body here. And I want it to kind of seem like this is running all the way down through that, you know? Like we're not going to... But it's going to pop up over here. So kind of align this to this. You know, if you were to kind of, you know, vaguely, right? Everything is about proportion. Everything is about, like, close enough, right? You don't have to go wild with it, but just close enough is good. You want the impression of this character, not like an exact photographic copy, right? Or, you know, you just want the impression. Line right here. Line right here. He always has his feet together. Line down. Out. In for 1 foot. Out over here. Curve back for the other foot. Cool, cool. And one thing I want to do is I'm going to put like a split in here, like it's like a paw or something like that, and I just make him look a little monstery, or at least rabbity. Let's put like a nail right here too. Some nails there. Alright, chill so far. By the way, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw, in general, I post a single drawing lesson every single day, and I start going live now on weekends. So what I want you to do is to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw dinosaurs, if you like learning how to draw Godzilla, if you like learning how to draw Mario, Sonic, anything you can think of, and you can also request, and I will go over a drawing lesson on whatever you want. Definitely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. There's no downside to it if you feel it's worth doing that. So let's go back into the face over here, into Grimace's face. So right over here, I'm gonna go pull in here for the mouth, pull down over here for the side of his mouth, curve up, line underneath, up, curve right there for the tongue in his mouth. All right, line over here for the edges of his mouth. And fill this in. Cool. Good stuff. Alright. Let's go over here and draw his eyes now. You can go over here and draw an extra line right here above. For his mouth. See how he drew. And so we're going to take that line right there. We're going to split this line below to have him have sharp teeth. He's got to be Evil Grimace, right? Sweet. Let's go over here now to the eye curve line right there. Kind of that more wicked eye look. Line right there. Dot right there. Outward. I want it to be wall-eyed. I don't know, it just looks kind of weird to do that. And then we're going to draw his eyebrows, which are really just kind of circles, really, when you look at it. Kind of like donut-y shapes. Line under here for underneath his mouth. And let's draw the shake over here. Just kind of floating, just like, what? Right there. Line down the edge, underneath the bottom, up. Line across for the top, the lid. Up over here, cross down. Right there at the top for the straw, downward. And let's draw like a wiggly line over here, like it's half empty or something like that. And that is Evil Grimace. If you want to add a little bit of detail, you can always throw a little bit of like curve right here, like line, these thin little lines to show dimension. I talk about this in drawing lesson, and a lot of drawing lessons. So you're throwing in these curvatures, right, to kind of give it, like I said, a little bit of form, and it kind of shows you where things turn. I want to thank you very much for watching. You are amazing. If you want to draw something like cute, for example, we have a free drawing ebook. Go take a look at that in the description. So if you want to learn how to draw something cute, how do you do that? Okay? You don't just draw every feature bigger or every feature smaller. It is proportions, right? Because it's all going to look the same on the paper. So, for example, for a cute character, you draw like a big head and a small body. Big head, maybe small body, or more specific, big head, big eyes, small nose, small mouth, or big mouth, depending on what kind of character you're doing. I go over all that in a very easy, I say easy to read, but it's just like this visual guide, and it's 100% free. It's something I used to charge for, but now it's like this free thing I give you as a gift. Take a look at that. That is in the description, so thank you so much. Like I said, that's the only catches you gotta go find in the description. It's totally free, and the cool thing is once you learn those kind of things, you remember them forever because it's a visual guide. You're like, boom, okay, now I know. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. See you later, art addicts. See you later.